Hey everyone, Spinal Failed here. Finally getting to this unboxing video. I know, 3.5 weeks. It's ridiculous. I know. Life got in the way. I have done this video actually numerous times. Seriously, like I think this is take like 1,250 or something like that. Anyway, here we are. This unboxing video, 3.5 weeks in, finally getting to it. As you can see to my right, we got two boxes. We got a box of swag. Thermaltake was pretty damn awesome. Sent me some stuff in here. Full disclosure, I did open this box already. There's tax papers in it. I took them out. I wasn't sure if I'd be able to edit them out of the video because, well, I'm new at this. And then what we have here is this wonderful level 20 PC. Its model number is AVT-01. It retails for $1599.99. And I actually had this open too. I know what you're thinking. How can you do an unboxing video if you've already had it open? There was a camera snafu. We had already gone through everything. Thought we had it all on video, and unfortunately, there was a bobble. So yeah, this is the level 20 VT, AVT-01. It comes with an Intel i5 9600K. It has an MSI Z390M MPG Gaming Edge AC motherboard. It's got G-Skill 3200 megahertz, 16 gigabytes RAM, RGB RAM, obviously. It has a Zotac RTX 2060. It's got, well, obviously the Thermaltake Level 20 VT case, which is a micro ATX cube case. It's got Tough Power Grand RGB Sync 650 watt power supply. It's got Samsung Evo Plus 970 Evo Plus 500 gigabyte NVMe drive. It also has, I believe, a Seagate 500 gigabyte SSD drive. It's got 3.0 series AIO, adjustable RGB AIO in it. It's got, was it the Pure series? Yeah, the Pure series fans, adjustable RGB fans in it. Yeah, so there we have it. That's pretty much everything. So yeah, we'll start with the box here. Some tight quarters in here, sorry. Alright, and unlike a certain news site, I will use the proper tool for the job. No Swiss Army knife, no tweezers, no zip ties, no... I got a razor knife. We're opening with a razor knife because, hey, that's what you do, right? Alright, so... First things first, pretty awesome shirt. 20 years of Thermaltake. It's pretty cool. And they gave me a couple hats, beanies, whatever you want to call them. I'm old, it's a hat to me. Gave it in white as well, if black isn't your color, but come on, who doesn't like black? We got a lanyard, pretty cool. We also got some Thermaltake 20 years stickers. Those are pretty cool. I'm not sure where I'm going to put them because, I mean, tempered glass. Do I really want to soil tempered glass? We'll see. And that is it. A bunch of packing peanuts. So, I know what you're waiting for now. So here we go. Finally. 3.5 weeks later. Maybe sometime this year I'll actually even use it. Who knows? We'll see. Oh, this thing is heavy. I think it's like 40 pounds. Alright. Do my best to not look like an idiot opening a box. But hey, I can only do so much. I'm sure we've all been there trying to open a box and flaps are in the way and things aren't coming out properly. So first things first is what came out was actually a bunch of, they include the extra power supply cables, which is pretty cool. Any updates, we got various things like the Wi-Fi antenna. You got some different cables and whatnot in here. Yeah, SLI jumper. Yeah, just your power supply cables, extra fan cable, M.2 screws, some RGB cable stuff, extension cables or something. We got, what is this? Another M.2 screw? Yeah, just another M.2 screw. Which is cool. Don't have to go hunting them down if you want to add an M.2 drive to it. Another M.2 anyway. So hopefully this will go semi-smoothly. Oh, I forgot there was something else in there. Oh, what was that? Oh yeah, the package with all the instruction manual stuff. We'll get to that. Let's get it out of the box first. Actually, you know what? Let's cover that now. Because there's something in here that... Why? Why is this still in here? Just user manual, you know, installation guides. You know, the typical stuff you get when you build a PC. And amongst that typical stuff, when you build a PC... This. A CD. Why is there a CD still in here? The computer doesn't have a CD drive. Does anyone really, other than people with the home theater PC, have a CD drive? When are they going to start putting flash drives in with drivers? Alright, rant over. So yeah, so it's just a package of paperwork. Alright, again, rant over. So, there we go. Try to do this without destroying everything. See, we're screwing up the tablecloth here. Alright. So, here we go. It comes packaged with 2 giant chunks of foam, plastic bag to protect it. Yeah. So let's find the back side here. This is the bottom side. Sorry. Let's start with the bottom side. Oh. This thing is heavy. This thing is like, I think its shipping weight was 39 pounds. Which for a microwave TX cube case just seems kind of heavy to me. But hey. At least it's usually quality when it's heavy, right? Alright, here we go. Oh. So, as you can see, it comes with the packing stuff, which is basically the foam that you pop it in the bag and it expands and keeps everything nice and tight. You got back here, again, it is a built-in Wi-Fi motherboard. All your I/O stuff. It is a vertically mounted GPU. Yeah, it's from what I read, these glass panels are actually supposedly interchangeable. They're exactly the same size because, well, cube case. There's the front on it. It's pretty interesting looking. As far as the front I/O, well, top I/O, I don't know how good you can see this. It's got a headset mic, USB 3.0, regular, nothing special, 3.0, 2.0, reset, LED, and your power switch, which it looks like it's got built-in LED for power on the power switch itself. It's got a couple thumb screws only for each side panel. Come off pretty easily. Because I've done this already, I'm off to the side here. Because I've done this already, I know how it comes apart. So we got one panel. At least I know what needs to come off to get the packaging stuff out. Side panel. Top panel. And then Ta-da! And here we go. So, as I said, Zotac RTX 2060. It's actually very nicely put together. It is a lot nicer looking than I expected. I guess I don't give pre-builts enough credit. But you can see it's... Yeah, I don't know. You probably don't have enough light. I think I'm going to have to... Let's see here. Let's see. Well, you can't... I'll try to point out some stuff. Unfortunately, the lighting is not hitting it very good. Right up here is that Samsung NVMe drive right behind the graphics card. You got your G-Skill RAM right here. They said it's the Water 3.0 ARGB series for the 240 series AIO. Again, repeating myself, it does have a Seagate Barracuda 500 gigabyte SSD. It's got a 200 millimeter front fan. I don't know if you can really see it all that well. It's got 120 millimeter rear fan, and yeah, I think that's pretty much that. I'm gonna try and get a little bit better view on this stuff here. It may not be as still as the tripod, but hopefully you get a better view on things. So there's that NVMe hidden down there, the AIO, you got your G-Skill RAM, you got on the back side here, it's a little hard to see through the panel, but you can make out the green and black label of Seagate. Yeah, it said it's... There's that 120 rear RGB fan, and you got that 200 millimeter fan right there.